In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate eBay and manage your account settings with ease. Whether you're looking to update personal information or just getting a hang of handling account settings, this guide will walk you through every step clearly and simply. Let's start right from the beginning. To kick things off, head over to the eBay homepage where you can usually find everything from electronics to fashion. Once you're on the site, look towards the top corner of the page where you'll see the account settings link. Click on this to access a world of options that will help you manage your account effortlessly. Once you're in your account settings, you'll want to find the personal information section. This area is key for making any necessary updates to your account details, ensuring everything is always accurate and up to date. Now, if prompted, this is the part where you'll need to enter your password. It's simply a step to verify your identity, safeguarding your account from unauthorized access. Once you've put in your password, go ahead and click Sign In to proceed. Sometimes eBay takes extra precautions for security, and you might be asked to complete a CAPTCHA verification. This involves clicking on a CAPTCHA, finding the pictures that match certain criteria, or selecting answers to prove you're not a robot. Just follow the prompts and click on the pictures as instructed, then press Verify. After you've successfully verified your credentials, you might see a prompt offering additional security options. If you'd prefer not to set them up right now, simply click Skip for now. You can always revisit these options later if you decide you want an extra layer of security on your account. With that out of the way, you're ready to make changes. Click on Edit to start updating your personal information. You'll see options to change your first name and last name. Simply click on the name fields and enter your desired changes. It's really as easy as that. After editing your information, the final step is to click Save. This ensures all your modifications are securely updated in eBay's system. Remember, keeping your personal information correct and current is crucial for smooth transactions and communications on eBay. And there you have it, a straightforward way to navigate eBay's account settings and personal information sections. If you follow these steps, you'll find managing your account is a breeze. Thanks for joining me today, and happy eBaying!